Okay, so today we are going to be putting together the Aerogarden. I believe this is the Elite Harvest model. I'll put more information in the description, but it's so easy, a 7-year-old can do it. Isn't that right? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the base. All right, this is what holds the water, and on the back it's got a plug, and it just kind of fits into the light fixture over here. And to start, we have this light fixture all the way up. So, Ryder, can you set that on the tray there? Okay. Now, can you maybe plug that in? Plugs in right there.
This?
Yep. So he's plugging in the water pump into the back of the light fixture, which down below is the control panel for everything. It's pretty simple. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and
put the water in.
Pour in some water. So I'm going to do that because this is pretty heavy. So we're going to go ahead and slowly pour in the water.
And fill to that line right there.
Yep, see where it says fill to here?
Yep.
That's where we're going to fill this up to.
Oh, that's good.
There we go. Perfect amount. Pour that out. Okay. So yep, now we're going to put the lid on.
Wait, is this cord waterproof?
Yes.
Oh.
So let's show them this here. So this is your lid, and as you can see, it's got 6 holes.
I got it.
It's got 6 holes, and the little pods that come by, the pod kits from Aerogarden fit right into those. So go ahead and put that on. We're going to leave this off for now, which is the little cover.
To put right here.
Yep, we're going to leave that off for now. So what we're going to do is make sure this is nice and seated, and it is. All right, bud. I'm going to plug this in, okay? Watch your eyes just in case. All right. Yep, so watch your eyes. So when you plug it in, the lights come on. And as you can see, the LEDs up on top there. There's some red ones, some blue ones, and some white ones.
Oh, I remember those from this year.
And once it comes on, you'll see that the pump inside here has started flowing. So I'll show you that in a minute. And here's your controls. Go ahead and follow your manual for setting this. It's going to be dependent on which model you have. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our pod kit. We got the Italian herbs because we do a lot of Italian food.
I like the Italian.
Yeah.
Oh, we also have herbs on our porch.
Yep, we sure do. On our balcony.
Yeah.
That's part of growing in an apartment. And it comes with plant food.
And then you might, I think you would want to put these in here.
Okay, so let's see.
Oh yeah, you would put those in here and then put seeds.
All right, this is the mint. So it says it'll sprout in 6 to 10 days. Where do you want to put that one? Okay, go ahead and put it in. Very nice. Okay, what's the next one? Savory. Where do you want to put savory? Okay.
Next one is...
That one says Italian parsley. Okay. Next one's basil. All the good ones up front, huh?
Yeah.
Easily reached.
Oregano.
Oregano.
Oh, oregano.
Okay, and Dad's favorite, thyme.
I like thyme too.
You like thyme too? All right. So now, you're gonna add your food. Follow the directions on the back.
I can open it.
Yeah, let me see. This one's brand new, so it's gonna, it says for 6 and 7 pods, you do 2 capfuls or 8 mils at startup and every 2 weeks.
I'll lay these out.
You can lay those out, okay. Let me open this up real quick. Now, 2 capfuls or 8 mils It's a real pain in the butt to have to pour this into the cap because then it gets all messy. Normally you can use like an eyedropper. I do not have one at the moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the cap. So 2 capfuls. We'll give this a good shake.
So 2 of these?
No, 2 of these capfuls.
Oh.
I'm gonna do it because it's chemical. So that's 1.
Can I pour the second one?
No, I got it, bud. And 2. All right. So then the next thing is going to be to do your settings down here, and let's see if I can remember how to do this here. So I want to. Yep. I'm going to turn the light out. All right. So it says to select the plant type after you set your clock. We are going to go find herbs. So 17 hours of light. Watch your eyes, bud, in case it comes on. All right, so we've set our herbs and the lights have come on. Overall, it's pretty simple. Last thing we do, put that cover on. All right, so I'm going to have my timer set so that the light comes on during the day and goes out at night during sleeping time, so that the light doesn't shine into the bedroom here, because we are in the master bath and it is very bright when all the lights are out. But to start,
turn the lights on and we see how bright.
No, turn the lights back on, please. We're going to go ahead and lower this all the way down
So it's near.
so that it's closer to the seeds, and then once they start growing, we will slowly raise this up. So the higher the light is from the source, the leggier they're going to be. All right. You can watch some of my other videos on how hydroponics works, but the best thing is to balance the amount of water that's in there and the height of the light to get maximum growth. All right, well, I hope you learned something. We will keep you updated on how these are going throughout the weeks and coming months. So,
on to the next.
On to the next.